Hi everyone. Right, I've got Melinda with us. Say hi, Melinda.
Hi everyone.
You don't want your face on, do you?
No.
Right, what we've got here is a fabric book kit. So we're going to go through it and show you it piece by piece. We've got these new bags, so I'll show you that. With your kit, the whole kit will come in that bag, like that. We've got one here that's ready made up. Lots of goodies. Right, so to start with the fabrics, we'll do those first. I've put in the new fabric, which is this non-woven. Remember, we do it in the rose one. Well, this is a cream and pinkish kit. So that's non-woven. You're getting about, I think, is a yard of that. Then you're getting a large piece of this gorgeous lace fabric, so that you can cover your book, because you've got some felt to cover your to use as pages. So I'm just going to turn that upside down, just remove them that way. This is the one that we're using as the actual pages. I've not cut them straight, but they're big enough for you to cut straight the size you want. But then you're getting 2 pages as well, 2 more pieces of felt that you can actually use to add extra pages or do them as inserts. Want that way? Yep. We put some fabric in for you to make pockets or flowers or whatever it is you want to do. It's the wide fabric, and that's double that, so you've 2 lots. So you can see, like that. Thank you. Right, I'm going to do this because you've got some doilies and some trimmings. We've put a piece of this in. So it's like 6 of these scallops, or scallops as some of you say. So that's that trim. Nice to cut apart and make things with. And then this one as well. So you've got the same in that. Both kits have got the same doily, the same as this one, because you have got to have a bit of colour. And then there's a selection of doilies. So I'm just going to show these. If I give you that, Melinda, do it that way. So you have various sized ones. And these, you make a little pocket out of that, if you're not sure how to do it. There you go. And glue it round and then decorate it. These are nice, which I do. These are the ones I use because of the scallop. Cut these out, cut the centres out, use that somewhere on as the backing. And then use this to go around your edges of your pictures. Just some hints and tips while we're at it. So there's just some more doilies. That's those. Then we put this wider fabric in, so that's double again, to cover the book or whatever you want to do. This is really strong, this is new, and it's the really strong, and it's very pastel coloured. I don't know if you can see that colour, it's hard to pick it up. Which can be edging or, I don't know, you figured it out. Some chenille. I think it's 2 yards of this small lace that you can make your small flowers with. Then we've got this and this. The Nottingham lace. The 2-inch wide lace. Actually, it's 2.5. The 4-inch cream lace. There's plenty of it. This guipure trim, which can be cut apart. You can cut all those into individual pieces. Then you've got the wide lace, which is the 2.5-inch lace. Ready-made flowers. That's that one. That one. This is what I've made. And then these crocheted. Oops. Wait a minute, folks. These crocheted flowers and a little heart. All to add into your project and finish off. Some gorgeous stick pins, one's ready made, 6 ready to make up. Some appliques, let's have a look. Now, I'm not cutting around here because I'm not. I don't do it sometimes. I let them do it, it gives them something to do. I know someone will be laughing and saying cheeky. But these can all be cut apart and play. That's the whole point. Some more appliques. Now we've got 6 of these each in each kit. I think it's, no, 5, sorry, do apologise. 5 of the butterfly. That's that one. 2 of these that are already made up. like those, which you can take apart, you don't have to keep. You've got 2 pink and 2 cream marabou feathers. And then this lace is back in. It will be on the shop shortly, but I've put this in. I've shown you how to do your trims with that. That's that one. Another applique. Some brown, beige, isn't it beige? Biscuit colour velvet trim. 2 more ready-made flowers. Selection of ribbons. Roses, not roses, bows. Couldn't even think what they were called then. So you can have those. These 2. No, sorry, that goes in that one. I'll show you. Ready-made stick pin that Tatty made. Right, with 3 off the stem and 3 on the stem. Roses. They're really firm. You can press your finger down on them. They won't fly off the table. They won't squash. And they're back in stock as well, folks. A dozen small foam roses. 1 ribbon rose. 2 bunches of the bead. Well, they're not. They're like a foam bead. That's all they are. What do you call them? Stamen. Cream and white. And each one's got 6 buds. So you've got those. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 4 acrylic leaves. 2 white, 2 cream. Some of the loop trim, what you can hang charms off and things like that. If you make a pocket, you can hang your own beaded things off. A piece of the Chinese braid. A yard of the gross grain ribbon. You can't tell on that. Hold it up. There you can. A yard of the gross grain, that's 1 inch wide, and then this is 1/2 inch wide. A yard of the cream gross grain. Put 1 of these in. So it's just, they've got clasps on, but just take them off and use them where you want them. Some of the new trim, which is, well, it's back in stock, should I say, the iridescent acrylic trim. This one's in stock, new one, which can be cut up, just for decoration. The pearl and bling flower centre for when you make your flower. Oops, that ribbon goes in there as well, I think. 1 of the multi-ribbons, and then you've got 3 cream rolled roses and 3 white rolled roses. I never remember what these are called. They're what your Chinese put on the jackets, don't they? There's a name for them. They'll be yelling at the screen going, "It's so-and-so, Sophie." I can't hear you. And then these buttons, which of course, they are metal, but you can also paint and decorate and spray or whatever you want to do with it. Some yard of the beaded string in cream, 4mm. And then we've got the new ones, which are the beaded sprays, butterflies. And last but not least, a nice selection of vintage pictures. Now the book's only to do 2 or 4 pages, so you've plenty. So that's what you're getting. And that kit will be on sale in about 10 minutes. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Oh, sorry.
Price.
Oh, yeah, well, I was going to just write the price on, but I'll tell you the price. The whole price for everything, including the bag, is £30 plus shipping, and it's $4.45 UK. We'll only have it signed for, and it's, I think this, because of the weight, is not £7.80, about £5.60 for the weight overseas. So if you're interested, there's only 2 available. Run along to the store. And well, by the time this goes up, it'll be on sale. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye-bye for now.